Did you know that nearly 1 in 3 adults worldwide struggles with high blood sugar levels, even if they don't realize it? Blood sugar, also known as blood glucose, is the body's main source of energy. But when it's not kept in check, it can lead to serious health concerns like diabetes, heart disease, and even nerve damage. Imagine waking up every day not knowing that your morning bowl of cereal or that midday snack might be causing silent spikes in your blood sugar. How can we take control of our health and manage our blood sugar more effectively? Perhaps even with a simple change to our diet. This brings us to a surprising hero in the world of nutrition, the avocado. Often praised for its creamy texture and delicious taste, the avocado is more than just a trendy addition to toast. It may actually be one of the ultimate hacks for blood sugar control, a simple yet powerful food that can make a real difference in your daily health. But what makes avocados so special? And why should they become a staple in your diet if you're serious about managing your blood sugar? First, let's talk about the challenges. Managing blood sugar is no easy feat. Many people believe it's all about eliminating sugar or counting carbohydrates, but it's more complicated than that. Blood sugar management involves understanding how different foods interact with your body and how nutrients can help stabilize or destabilize your glucose levels. A common misconception is that all fats are bad, or that you must avoid anything creamy or rich. This couldn't be further from the truth, especially when it comes to healthy sources of fat like those found in avocados. So, what exactly is inside an avocado that makes it such a powerful ally for blood sugar control? Let's break down its nutritional profile. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, the so-called good fats that help the body in a multitude of ways. Unlike saturated fats, which can raise cholesterol and harm heart health, monounsaturated fats are known to improve cholesterol levels and support cardiovascular health, but the benefits don't stop there. Avocados are also packed with dietary fiber. In fact, one medium avocado contains around 10 grams of fiber, about a third of the recommended daily intake for adults. Fiber is crucial for blood sugar management because it slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This means you experience fewer spikes and crashes, which is key for keeping your energy steady and your cravings at bay. On top of healthy fats and fiber, avocados deliver a generous dose of essential vitamins and minerals. They're a great source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart health, and they provide vitamins E, C, and several B vitamins, all of which are important for overall metabolic function. The unique combination of these nutrients creates a synergistic effect, helping your body process carbohydrates more efficiently and keeping your blood sugar within a healthy range. But what does the science say? Recent research has shown a spotlight on avocados as a superfood for blood sugar control. A study published in the journal Nutrients found that participants who consumed meals containing avocado experienced significantly lower post-meal blood sugar levels compared to those who ate meals without it. The researchers attributed this effect to the high fiber and healthy fat content of avocados, which slow digestion and blunt the impact of carbohydrates on blood sugar. Another study from Mexico, where avocados are a dietary staple, observed that people who regularly included avocados in their diet had lower markers of metabolic syndrome, a cluster of conditions that includes high blood sugar, increased blood pressure, and excess body fat around the waist. These findings suggest that adding avocados to your meals isn't just a matter of taste. It could play a meaningful role in preventing and managing chronic conditions tied to blood sugar. What's even more remarkable is how avocados fit into a diverse range of diets. Whether you're following a low-carb, plant-based, or Mediterranean-style eating plan, avocados can be seamlessly incorporated. Their mild flavor and creamy consistencies make them a versatile ingredient, perfect for salads, smoothies, or even as a substitute for less healthy spreads and dressings. It's important to address the myths, too. Some worry that the fat content in avocados will cause weight gain or negatively affect cholesterol. In reality, the monounsaturated fats in avocados are linked to improved weight management and better heart health. In fact, eating healthy fats can actually help you feel fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating and snacking on high-sugar foods that can destabilize blood sugar. Let's not forget about satiety, how full and satisfied you feel after a meal. Because avocados are high in both fat and fiber, they are incredibly filling. This means you're less likely to reach for sugary snacks or refined carbs throughout the day. By keeping hunger at bay, avocados indirectly support more stable blood sugar levels, making it easier to stick to healthy eating habits. Beyond individual meals, choosing avocados as a staple food can set the foundation for lasting health. Regularly including them in your diet may help reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and promote a healthier balance of gut bacteria, all factors that contribute to optimal blood sugar control. To sum it up, avocados are far more than just a trendy fruit. They're a nutritional powerhouse that can help you take charge of your blood sugar and overall wellness. By delivering healthy fats, abundant fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals, they work on multiple fronts to keep your glucose levels in check and your body performing at its best. If you're ready to explore more practical, science-backed tips for living your healthiest life, don't forget to subscribe. That way, you'll never miss out on the latest insights, recipes, and health hacks to help you thrive. Remember, sometimes the simplest change can make the biggest difference, and avocados might just be the ultimate hack your blood sugar has been waiting for.